As of July 2020, you could find thousands of free and premium WordPress themes in the market. Plus, there are so many WordPress theme clubs are available like StudioPress, Elegant Themes, My Theme Shop, Signiter, etc. Finding the right WordPress theme might be a little hard task for you. Anyway, to help you, we have got something. Studies show that mobile traffic is getting increased every year over desktop searches. So, choosing a responsive, mobile-optimized WordPress theme would probably help you to stand out from your competitors. We are going to show you a WordPress theme called Responsive Pro, which is developed by CyberChimps. Responsive is one of the freemium WordPress theme available in the market. A free version theme is available in the WordPress themes repository, which is used on more than 40,000 websites. And as you can see in the above screenshot, most folks rated 5 stars for this beautiful theme. It is also considered as one of the top downloading WordPress themes in the repository. The free version theme is enough for beginners. While you are expecting more, you might want to consider purchasing the premium version theme. It comes with more advanced, unique features. Having a faster website is essential. No matter you are running a personal blog or WooCommerce website. Anyway, the speed of your website is mattered on different things like the web hosting company, active plugins, caching plugins, etc. The active WordPress theme also affects your website speed. If you are using a big WordPress theme, probably your website will load slower. But, using a well-coded, lightweight theme would help you to increase the website speed. In our test, a website that uses the Responsive Pro theme got loaded in 1.4 seconds. If you can properly optimize the website with an image compression plugin, lazy loading, etc., probably you can score better in the speed tests. Also, the well-coded theme will help search engine bots to crawl your website deeper and in the right way. Thus, you can quickly improve your search engine ranking positions. The schema.org microdata will also help the search engines to understand your content better. But, always consider using an SEO plugin for optimizing your posts, pages, custom posts, etc. There are so many available like Yoast, Rank Math, All-in-One SEO Pack, etc. Would you like to customize your website's colors? Without using any CSS plugin like CSS Hero or using additional CSS codes, you will be able to modify your styling right from the customizer. You can take care of your menu colors, background colors, and almost everything. The good thing is, even a beginner would be able to make customizations on their website. Creating a website from complete scratch would take a lot of time. Instead, what if we have a custom design that can just be imported to our leading site? In that case, we can just launch our website in some simple mouse clicks. Thankfully, the Responsive Pro theme comes with so many pre-made demos. All you need to do is simply import the settings to your own website. The full customizations will be copied to your WordPress blog. Well, the demos come with some sample content. You might want to edit it or remove it from your server. Anyway, you can still save a lot of time by quickly using the pre-made demos for designing your site. You can take control of your website's entire typography. Having the right font for your website is essential these days. If you are not using a user-friendly font on your site, all your website visitors will get confused, and you will start losing customers/traffic. There are so many font hosting services are available, like Google Fonts, Typekit, etc. Typically when we need to add a custom font to our WordPress blog, we probably need to rely on some font-specific WordPress plugins or edit the header.php file and add some code. Thankfully, the Responsive Pro has its own typography options. You can modify your headers, body, and almost every part of your website. Plus, you can change the font family of the headings, weight, style, line height, and also font size without writing a single line of CSS code to your WordPress website. Probably this feature would help every beginner who doesn't know CSS well. Through the WordPress customizer, you could actually see what the changes you are making are. If you are relying on display ads like Google AdSense, Ezoic, or any other, probably you might want to consider using an ad-optimized WordPress theme for your website. There are a lot of ad-optimized WordPress themes are available on the internet. And CyberChimps Responsive Pro is one of those. If you really want to increase your display ads revenue, you could try this theme. With a better ad positioning and a management plugin, you can take your earning to the next level for sure. For creating a custom homepage or landing page, There are so many available methods. Creating a custom template with codes won't be the right way for beginners. And in that case, we will be able to use the power of page builders. As of July 2020, there are so many free and premium WordPress page builder plugins are available. Some of our favorite ones are Beaver Builder, Elementor, WP Bakery Page Builder, Site Origin, etc. Thankfully, both free and premium responsive themes will work with almost every page builder. If you need a unique design for your WordPress blog, a business website, with the Responsive Pro and a proper page builder like Elementor, you have got it. Having the same page layout site-wide is not something you want to keep. Typically, when we need to use a custom page layout, we need to create a new template, use some code, apply the template to the pages which we needed. Honestly, it is not a beginner-ready method, and it will cost more time than you expected. Well, with the Responsive Pro, you could make changes to your site-wide layout options, single page layouts, single post layouts, archive page layouts, etc. And as we use the WordPress customizer for making these changes, we can easily see the actual changes happening on our website. While making changes to the container width, padding, and background color, the live preview is way more helpful. You can also customize your headers and footers from Customizer. There are so many options are available like logo positioning, header color customizations, site title color customizations, site description color customizations, etc. In the same way, you can customize your website footer. A WooCommerce optimized WordPress theme would always help you to increase your conversions. And if you are planning to integrate a WooCommerce shop with your main website, this theme would be preferred. It won't slow down your WooCommerce shop and comes with almost every feature which a WooCommerce shop needed. Thankfully, here, the multiple page layouts option would be helpful. You can take control of your shop page, single product page, and everything. The lightweight and SEO-friendly code is also going to help you to increase sales. The designing process of your online shop would be pretty simple with the Customizer. Everything can be customized, including the fonts. So, the final output is, Responsive Pro can be used on WooCommerce shops. The latest version of WordPress comes with brand new editing experience. Since the 5.0 release, the developers are packing a new version of WordPress with a builder called Gutenberg. It was a massive talk in the industry. And these days, we highly recommend you using a WordPress theme, which is optimized for Gutenberg. And here, the Responsive Pro is 100% optimized for WordPress 5.0 and up. You won't face any issues between the theme and the Gutenberg editor. Right now, the responsive WordPress theme got 3 premium pricing options. Thankfully, we will get all features on these 3 plans. There won't be any restrictions on the features. But, they do have restricted usage. With the personal plan, you will be able to use the theme only on a single domain. On the Business and Pro plan, you will get 3 and 10 licenses accordingly. We recommend you purchase the Business or Pro plan if you are planning to use the theme on multiple WordPress websites. In case if the theme is not working as you expected, you can get a complete refund within 30 days of purchase. If you are using the light version theme from the WordPress repository, feel free to use the support forum for support-related issues and technical stuff. You will need to create a new topic there containing your issue. On the other hand, if you are using the premium version, you will get priority support from the developer team. All you need to do is, log into your CyberChimps account, raise a support ticket, and one of their support assistants will help you personally to solve your issue. They also got a lot of written tutorials in their documentation section. So, checking that page before contacting the support staff would be better. You can get the premium version of the Responsive Pro WordPress theme from below.